How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode we have more LEDs. In this case, a company reached out to me, and this is the H4 LED lights. Anyhow, LED lights, link is gonna be in the description for this one. So this is the first time that I try this company. Like I said, they reached out to me, and I'm just gonna do a little installation and quick review of these lights. And for this episode we have a Kia Sportage. This is the 6-cylinder model, and to get to the headlights is really easy. You just have to remove this cover, and it has a little clip on it. Once you remove the clip, remove the light, and you just connect the other one. But I already did it on this headlight. I just wanted to show you the difference between the new LED and the regular bulb. We want to see the performance of the lights, and I wanted to see how durable they are. Hopefully I can make a little update episode on these lights. And this is the new LED. Really easy to install. I don't think I need to show you really in detail how to do the installation, but I'm gonna try to show you on the driver's side. This is the new one. It has a fan on it, so I'm not sure about the cover. Maybe we can make some holes later on, but everything seems to be perfectly fine. When you do the installation, nothing is on the way. The only thing is, and I know for a fact that the regular ones, they produce a lot of heat. Now if we don't put the cover on, water and moisture and a lot of stuff can go into it. So I'm gonna put them on, and hopefully the heat don't damage the headlights, which I don't think it's gonna do, because you guys know the regular bulbs, they produce a lot of heat. And the way they're made, it looks pretty good, pretty solid. On the package you're gonna have the instructions. If you need it, just follow the instructions. And like on every other LEDs, you can remove the top in case that you need to remove it and put it first, but in this case you don't have to. Just we're gonna leave it like that, and we're gonna do the installation. And this is how the regular headlight looks, and this is how the LED looks. If you can see the difference, night and day. You see that difference? Amazing, the difference between the two. For the driver's side, we need to remove the intake. It has 2 screws on this side, but we can just pull it out and move it out of the way, and then we got the chance to go to the cap. Twist the cap from the headlight, and it's out. Okay guys, so once everything is out of the way, it has a little clip on it. You just have to push on the clip and move it out of the way to get the bulb out. Okay, so now we have the bulb. Hopefully you can see right there we have the little clip. You just have to push it on there. Once you push it on there, you move it out of the way, and that's how you move the little clip that holds the headlight in place. So that's the little clip right here. That's the one you have to remove. Okay guys, once you remove the bulb out of the housing, just pull it out from the 3 connectors, and let's try to put the headlight in the new one. And you're gonna put it the same way as this one. Just make sure that when you put it on, this larger clip is gonna be on top, and the small ones, they're gonna be on the bottom. Same thing with the new one. Larger on top, small ones on the bottom. Because a LED has to be inside the same way, otherwise it's not gonna fit. Once you put it in, make sure that everything line up, so you can close the clip on the bottom to secure the headlight. So that's what it is, man. I can't really show you in detail inside because I can't put the camera in there, but the clip is right inside that holds the headlight, and then you can even remove the headlight if you need to, and the clip stays inside. Once everything is secure, let's put the headlight back on it. Okay, headlight is secure. We're gonna do the connection. And we're gonna try to put everything inside so it's out of the way so we can put the cap back on the housing. Everything is nice and tight inside. That's the old ones. We don't need this no more. Twisted, lock in place. Intake back on it, and now we have installation finished. On the passenger side, same thing, everything is installed. You just put the cap back on it, and there you have it. Now let's turn the lights on, and you're gonna see the difference between the LED and these ones. It looks beautiful now, guys. What do you guys think about the new LEDs? I don't see any flickering. I saw the lights really bright. So another installation on LEDs, guys. And like I said, I couldn't show you in detail inside, but it has just a little clip that holds the headlight in place. And once you get everything lined up, just put the clip back on. Installation is finished. Okay guys, so installation is done. I hope you like this episode. New LEDs on this truck. They look bright and amazing. You guys know the LEDs are the best. And if you have any questions, please comment down below and I'm gonna be happy to help. Once again guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.